Are you confused on how to diffuse essential oils? This makes it super fun. Let's make this Blossom Reed diffuser so that you can diffuse all kinds of essential oils while making it super cute as well. With this recipe, you'll be able to make your office or home super cute while diffusing essential oils. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off all those distractions because making is healing, so let's get started. First, you're gonna wanna grab your big bonus box and your June recipe box. All right, so I have my natural solubilizer, clove essential oil, peppermint, and Anastar essential oil, and the Reed Bouquet that I got from my recipe box, water from home, this glass bottle, along with this cute little cap that I got from simplyearth.com. So let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna grab my distilled water and I'm going to fill my container all the way up to the neck of the bottle. And then I'm gonna set my water aside and I'm gonna mix the essential oils next. Next, I'm gonna add my essential oils together in a separate container. So 1 drop of Anastar, 5 drops of clove bud, and last but not least, 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. Next, I'm gonna add my 23 drops of natural solubilizer. I'm gonna add this drop by drop while stirring. All right, now I'm going to add my water into the solubilizer mixer very slowly while mixing. At this point, you could add Simply Earth's GeoGuard into the mixture to make it last longer. It's a natural preservative. I'm not going to at this point because I'm gonna use this up pretty fast. So I'm just gonna add this back into the bottle. Now I'm gonna put the cute little cap on. Adds a little bit of a decoration, and then I'm gonna add in my reeds. So these reed diffusers, you can leave them at the height that they are at right now currently, or you can cut them if you want them to be a little shorter. You can cut them all at the same length if you want to. However, I'm going to kind of layer them. So I'm gonna cut this one a little shorter. I'm also gonna cut one of the flower blossoms a little shorter. And voila! Look how cute that is. All right, the last step to this recipe is making sure to put the label on so that you know when you made this guy. Ta-da! It's all set. You can put it wherever you want to. I'm gonna keep this in my office. You can make this super cute reed diffuser too. I am so excited to put this guy in my office. It adds just a little bit of a flair to my office, and I think people are gonna notice it as soon as they walk in. I love seeing all your creations on all our social medias, so go ahead and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see how you guys styled this guy. The Simply Earth recipe box makes making cute little recipes just like this super easy. So go get yours today.